Have you ever connected to Wi-Fi and noticed a special login page? That's often powered by something called a captive network assistant. A captive network assistant is a tool that helps manage how devices connect to Wi-Fi networks. It guides users through authentication or acceptance of terms before granting full access. This technology is common in public places like airports, hotels, and coffee shops. According to Cisco, over 70% of public Wi-Fi networks use captive portals to control access. Captive network assistants improve security by ensuring only authorized users access the network. They also help businesses present terms of service and collect user data securely. In short, captive network assistants are key to safe and smooth Wi-Fi experiences. Next time you see a login page, you'll know exactly what's behind it.